Hello and a warm welcome to all the brilliant minds joining us here at Guild Geekify Programming. I am Saeed Kohansel, your full-stack web developer guide. This is a tutorial video about generating images with AI. I'll teach you how to create AI images using Midjourney for free. You can generate AI images in various styles, including cinematic, illustration, photorealistic, 2D, 3D, sketch design, abstract, geometric wallpapers, and more. Additionally, we are going to learn how to generate AI images in different aspect ratios. I'll also demonstrate how to prompt in Midjourney AI. Alright, let's get started. On your PC or mobile device, visit the URL start.chatgot.io. Afterward, sign in with a Google account. I've created an introduction and review video about the ChatGot platform that you can watch to learn how to use multiple AIs in the same chat. You can easily use Midjourney right here. Let's edit AI bots. I just need Midjourney, so I'll deactivate the other AI bots. Okay, let's generate AI images using Midjourney. Before we begin generating images, let me share some useful details about image styles in Midjourney. I've included the most common image styles right here for you. Midjourney AI provides the flexibility to generate images across a spectrum of styles, ranging from cinematic and illustrative designs to 3D renderings, sketch-based creations, and even geometric wallpapers. This diversity empowers users to produce images that cater to various artistic preferences and applications, showcasing the versatility of Midjourney AI in creative endeavors. Very well, let's generate some images. This is my prompt: Joker Surrealism Art, Golden Colors, Portrait. Excellent! Midjourney generated 4 images based on my prompt. And you can easily download the generated image right here. Let's take a look. Alright, below the generated images, you'll see some buttons labeled as U and V. Let me explain these buttons. If you click on the U buttons, the image you picked will get bigger and have more details. And when you click on the V buttons, you'll get some slightly different versions of the image you chose. Each variation will show you a new grid of images that look like the original one in style and layout. Now, let's test the U button. In the following, I'll test the V button for you. I need to resize this image to a larger format, so I'll click on the U3 button. Very well, as you can see, Midjourney generated a larger version of my target image. Let's prompt for a wallpaper. In this step, I will guide you on how to change aspect ratios in Midjourney, following its official documentation. Here is the official Midjourney documentation about aspect ratio. You can generate images in all of these aspect ratios. The default aspect ratio in Midjourney is 1:1 or square. To change the aspect ratio, you just need to add $AR in the ratio in your prompt. In the following, I'll generate images in horizontal and vertical aspect ratios, specifically 16:9 and 9:16. So I've added $AR in the ratio in my prompt. Great! Midjourney generated 4 wallpapers for me in the horizontal or 16:9 aspect ratio. Now let's generate some vertical images. This is my prompt: an orange Batman in rainy jungle, photorealistic. And I will add 9:16 as its aspect ratio. Very good, let's take a look. Let's create more images in different styles. My prompt is, an illustration draw of Captain America in black and red and pink colors. I haven't defined the aspect ratio, so it will generate square images. Very nice, let's view it. Let's prompt more, a green Spider-Man in the street, steampunk style, anime style. Very well. Now, let's change the prompt. I need a Spider-Man toy in purple color with a photorealistic style. Alright, now let's generate it in horizontal aspect ratio. Let's have a look. Very good. Let's create a vertical geometric wallpaper in purple and white colors. This is really beautiful and truly stunning, especially suitable for use as a phone wallpaper. Let's generate a horizontal picture featuring Superman. Nice. Now, let's create a vertical image of a Superman toy standing inside water. Let's take a look. Okay, in this step, I'll demonstrate an example of the V button. Midjourney should generate new images based on my target image. Perfect. As you can see, all of the new images have a related visual look to my target image. Alright, let's generate a geometric art of Spider-Man in black and purple colors. Wow! I think this is absolutely awesome. Okay, let's make a new prompt, Wonder Woman illustration, sketch style, vibrant colors, yellow and pink colors, high detail. This is perfect. And for the final prompt, let's generate an image of a robotic Joker in realistic and cinematic styles, featuring yellow and pink colors. Very good. So in this video, we've learned how to generate AI images using Midjourney AI through the ChatGot platform for free. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps.
Because I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.